In this video we will review how to apply for an employer identification number through the IRS website. An employer identification number, or EIN, is a 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to identify a business entity. You may also hear it referred to as a taxpayer identification number, or TIN. To apply for an EIN, go to irs.gov and select the option to apply for an employer ID number from the home page. From there you will see 3 steps to follow before starting your application. Step 1 is to determine your eligibility. Specifically, to apply for an EIN online, your business must be located in the United States or U.S. territories. The person applying online must have a valid Social Security number or tax identification number. You are limited to 1 EIN per responsible party. And lastly, the responsible party should be the individual who ultimately owns or controls the business entity. Step 2 is to understand the online application. This step points out that once you start the application, you must complete it in one session. This is because the IRS system will clear your entries if you become inactive for more than 15 minutes. You will not be able to save and return at a later time. Step 3 is submitting the application. Once you have completed the application and the validations are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. Please ensure the information associated with your EIN matches the name and information you have on file with Field Nation. Both should match your legal name and current contact information. Once you have reviewed all 3 steps, select Apply Online Now to proceed. From there you will be prompted to confirm that your new EIN will be for authorized use only. Then you will be given a list of important information, as well as restrictions to review before you officially begin the application. Once you begin, you will make a selection based on what type of legal structure you are applying as, for example, as a sole proprietor, an LLC, or something else. Once you have made a selection, the EIN assistant will continue to guide you through a series of prompts to further confirm your business details, structure, and to authenticate your identity. Follow each step of the progression from 1 through 5, and review all of the information on each page, as it is important to ensure you are making these selections correctly. Once you progress through all the steps and your new EIN is confirmed, you will need to update your Field Nation account to include it. Please note, this change will cause any currently active insurance information you have on file to become inactive. You will need to add an updated certificate of insurance after you have made your edits. To edit your tax information as a service provider, click your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Settings. Under Service Provider, select Tax Information. To edit your tax information as a service company admin, click your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Company Settings. Under General, select Tax Information. The tax information page will display your current tax information. Make any necessary changes. Please note that any fields that are grayed out are not editable from this screen. Once you have input your new EIN, select Save Tax Information to finalize.